Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So children, in the previous video we learned the concept inside and outside. But today we are going to learn a new concept, that is in front and behind. Hope children you are ready. Let's see what is there in the heading. Look at the pictures, read aloud. Let's see the pictures, what are there in the pictures, and we will see the sentence, what is written beside the pictures. You can see here the girl is there and she is looking in the mirror. Okay, here you can see a dog and sofa. Here you can see the cat is there and the door is there. Then you can see sky, clouds, sun. Let's see children what exactly it is there in the picture. After reading the sentence you will come to know what exactly is there in the picture. Okay children? THE, the, GIRL, girl, is. The girl is STANDING, standing. You can see here in the picture the girl is standing. Where the girl is standing now, let's see. in FRONT, front, in front. The girl is standing in front. of the MIRROR, mirror. The girl is standing in front of the mirror. So what is there exactly in the picture? The girl is standing in front of the mirror. So what we have used is, we have used in front or behind. We used in front here. The girl is standing in front of mirror. In front means samne. Okay children, see the next sentence. The, the, DOG, dog, is, the dog is, SITTING, sitting. The dog is sitting, in FRONT, front. The dog is sitting in front, of the, SOFA, sofa. The dog is sitting in front of the sofa. So what we have used here? We use in front. The dog is sitting in front of the sofa. You can see the dog, he is sitting here in front of the sofa. See the next sentence children. THE, the, cat, is. The cat is BEHIND, behind. The cat is behind. THE, the, DOOR, door. The cat is behind the door. You can see the cat is here and the door is here. So where is the cat children? The cat is behind the door. Behind is nothing but piche. In front, samne, behind, piche. So the cat is behind the door. What we have used here children? We used behind, because the cat is behind the door. See the next. THE, the, SUN, sun. The sun, is. The sun is BEHIND, behind. The sun is behind. THE, the, CLOUDS, clouds. The sun is behind the clouds. You can see in this picture, the sun is behind the clouds. The sun is behind the clouds. Okay children, hope you have understand. Now there is an activity related to in front and behind. Okay, circle the correct option. We have to read the sentence First we need to look at the picture, read the sentence, then we have to select the correct option here. See here, the girl is there and the gate is there. Here in this picture you can see a girl is there and shop is there. Here tree and the girl is there. Again in the same picture, gate and the girl is there. So let's see what exactly where they are and what they are doing here. He, he. It's a boy. He, is standing, standing. He is standing in front of, behind. The, gate, gate. So children, in this video, where the boy is standing, is he standing behind the gate or in front of gate? He is standing in front of gate. So the correct option is in front of. He is standing in front of the gate. So children, see next. She, is standing. She is standing. She means a girl. She is standing in front of, behind. Which is the correct option? We have to select. The, shop. She is standing behind the shop. No, she is standing in front of the shop. So the correct option here is in front. The girl, she is standing in front of the shop. See the next. The, girl. You can see here the girl is there. The girl is in front of, behind. You have to select a correct option here. The, tree. The girl is, where is the girl, children? The girl is behind the tree. So here the correct option is behind. So we have to circle behind. See the next. The, girl. Is. The girl is in front of, behind. We have to select one. The, gate. See the picture, children. Where is the girl? The girl is in front of the gate. No, the girl is behind the gate. You can see the girl is behind the gate. So the correct option here is behind. So we have to circle the correct option, behind. So children, let's see one more time. He is standing in front of the gate. You can see the boy. He is standing in front of the gate. She is standing in front of the shop. You can see the girl is here. So she is standing in front of the shop. The girl is behind the tree. Where is the girl, children? The girl is behind the tree. The girl is behind the gate. You can see the girl is behind the gate. Hope children you have understand where to use in front and where to use behind in this video. Okay, thank you.